In this episode, we'll show you how stainless steel parts for industry are made. Industrial infrastructure, such as sewage treatment, chemical, or power plants, has to remain reliable for years on end. High temperature, corrosive environment, and high loads make even the smallest components key to the entire system. That's why they are often produced using stainless steel. In this episode, we'll take a look at the production of stainless steel specialist parts for power, chemical, petrochemical, food, environmental, and machine industries. Investec from Torun is a company that specializes in just that. We start at the design office, where technical drawings of the parts ordered by the customers are drafted. This is also where the technological processes that will be used during the production are prepared. Let's get started. The company has a large stainless steel warehouse with an area of 8,000 square meters and from 4,000 to 4,500 tons of sheet metal. Forklift operators have access to integrated production and stock management systems, which allow them to monitor the flow of materials. This way, they can easily locate where the right sheet of metal can be found in the warehouse by using a tablet. The core processes conducted at the plant include various cutting technologies. Abrasive water jet cutting consists of cutting out a detailed element with a stream of water mixed with an abrasive of a specific grain size. This method is used to cut thick sheets of stainless steel in a thickness of up to 120 millimeters. What's crucial is using a high-quality abrasive, such as garnet. It's a natural silicate mineral of a very high hardness. Parts made from steel sheets with a thickness of up to 40 millimeters are cut out using a fiber laser. The cutting process is optimized by using software such as CAM, which helps with distributing the detailed parts on a sheet of metal in the most efficient way. Plasma cutting, on the other hand, is perfect for elements meant for further processing. 3 plasma cutters make it possible to cut sheets with a thickness of up to 100 millimeters. It's the cheapest method to use with thicker sheets. However, the production process does not have to end with just cutting out the shapes. The Investec factory can also conduct additional processing to holistically prepare detailed parts made from stainless steel. During the deburring process, the scale and flash are removed, while sharp edges created as a result of cutting are chamfered. Bending completes the laser cutting process. It's performed on elements with a width of up to 8 meters and a thickness of up to 18 millimeters. We're now entering the machining department. It's where the milling processes using, for instance, multi-axis machining centers are performed, as well as milling and turning processes using multi-purpose machines, lathes with milling heads. We are moving to the welding station, where we can see how pump connectors for the dairy industry and brackets for heat exchanger plates are welded. Time for a quality inspection. A spectrometer checks the chemical composition of steel delivered to the factory warehouse. Next, ultrasonic testing is conducted to verify whether there are any discontinuities inside the material that cannot be spotted with the naked eye. A roughness meter is used to test the surface of the completed part, while a coordinate measuring machine makes it possible to take measurements to 4 decimal places. Each detailed part produced at the factory is marked accordingly. The customers receive, among other things, an attestation of the material the product was made from, which enables them to trace its path at every stage of production. Other products made at the facility include complete machines and equipment for sewage treatment plants. Among them are aerators, presses, and tanks. Some of them are made with duplex stainless steel, characterized by high corrosion resistance and enhanced durability, which facilitates the creation of sturdier constructions. The company conducts various environmental activities, such as recycling steel and wood waste, and investing in photovoltaic panels. Although many of them are hidden deep within the plants, stainless steel parts produced by InvestTech are essential to the reliability and safety of entire industrial systems.